Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this useful Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to create horizontal bullet points in Word instead of the usual vertical bullet list. This is perfect for resumes, menus, banners, presentations, brochure, and professional document layouts. If you want to bullet points to appear side by side to on the same line, this tutorial will show you the easiest method. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I make this process a short technique. Go to the insert menu and click the table option. Now I make a multiple column table because the horizontal bullet point are not available here. Now I am select the all cell, go to the home menu, click the bullet point drop down menu and select a bullet point. Then you can write anything. Like now I am write Rahul Jamal Kamal Hafiz Shopon and Shojib. Now I remove the all border of the table. Go to the layout menu, go to the design menu and click the borders drop down menu and choose no borders. Now you can see here Rahul, Jamal, Kamal, Hafiz, Shopon, Shojib all added, but the bullet point is horizontal, not the vertical. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.